Here we go. I hope my memory doesn't get full. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to go to Mount Vernon. I don't know if I could. And then I'm gonna try to go to Family Dollar. Alright, here it is. This is an easy unboxing. Got red, yellow, and blue. These are all the cars I got. By the way, we're gonna sing 4 Little Cars. That'll be it.
4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said